and welcome to my channel. I'm Jay with Jay's Budget Life, and in today's video I'm back with another bill exchange. So we're going to be going through and condensing my envelopes that are housed within my binders, and I'm going to go through and do them all individually and then build them back up immediately. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started, and I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So in my first binder, let's see. My binders now are in alphabetical order. All right, and in my little bank over here, I do believe that I have $3,000, I think it's $500 or $600, something like that. So if you guys want totals, I'll give that to you eventually. So in Ariana's envelope, she has $10. She has $10. So I'm just gonna switch that out for 10. All right, back to school has its $500. It's already capped at 5, so we don't need to change anything there. Bank number 1 has $20. Bank number 2 also has $20. I'll move this. I wanted to put it in view so you guys could see, but I might just have to move it. Move my candle and set that there. This was 20. All right, so in car, all of these ones will stay, and we have 10, 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So that's going to go there. So in our car, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 51. So $751. Christmas is also one that's capped. There's $1,000 in there. Clothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 50. That's 60. So that's 60, 80, 100. Look at that 50. Well, no, I believe there. And then we have 20, 40, 60. So 50 and 60. So in clothing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, $560. Credit card doesn't have anything, and then this is capped as well, $2,020, and already condensed as much as it can be. All right, in our emergency fund, we have our 1,000 already, and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Ooh, what is that? Oh, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. So $1,650. Okay, in our 100 envelope challenge, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 20, then I'm going to have to borrow against, and then a 5. All right, so we have $126. All right, in family time, we have 50, 60, 70, 80. 80. For gifts, we have 20, 40, 50. Hair and nails, we have 50, 70, 90, 120. I'm actually just going to leave this one just because this one I'm not going to condense. Sometimes I need the smaller bills in that one. For loans, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So with our 1,000, we're going to add a 1K slip, and I'm going to put this aside. So we have 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So in loans, we have $1,100. Okay, medical has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so $210. All right, so mommy time, we have 200, 50, 70, 90. Do it this way. So 50, 70, 90, 100. Put that there. And then 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 100. So mommy time has $400. And I'm so excited. If you have not incorporated yourself into your budget, please do. Because I was one of the ones that did not, trying to make sure that everything and everyone else was straight. But I think later in the year, last year, I did incorporate a mommy time envelope. And it's so exciting to be able to look forward to treat yourself. So yeah, if you don't have a mommy time or something in your budget where you're included, this is hard work sometimes, you know. Consistency is key, but it's still sometimes it's a lot of work to maintain a budget. But if you haven't, then definitely, it doesn't have to say mommy time, it can say your name. Just make sure you're in there somewhere, more so than just, you know, utilities and stuff like that. Mariah, she has $10. All right, and then we got my other binder. And last but not least, this one just ain't been cooperating lately. It doesn't matter how many times I bend it. Jeez, things still gonna fold up. All right, so in photos, we have 1, 2, 20, 30, 40. We're just gonna put another 20 in there, and I hope I don't need any more 20s, but it's okay. So we have $240 in our photo envelope. Okay, rent doesn't have nothing. Let's see what taxes is up to. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 2, 4, 6, 8, what is it, 70, 80. Okay, so hold on, I just did that crazy. 50, 70, 80. Okay, I did that real crazy, but nonetheless, we have our 250, 70, 80. All right, technology has 20, 40, 50. I'm gonna do 50. And technology has $60 total. All right, vacation is on its way to 1,000, but not quite there. So we have 50, 50, 70, 90, 100, and then 20, 40, 50. Did I just take out a 50 just to put one back? Y'all, I don't even know. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $860 in our vacation fund. All right, and then 52-week challenge is a new one. I don't think I can condense because I did 50. Yep, $53. So no condensing there. Well, I mean, technically I could throw one of those $2 bills in there. If we want to get technical. I hope I didn't miss that anywhere else. So 53. All right, so now we're gonna go through, and I'm not gonna, because this was my bank, this obviously wouldn't be included in what I did exchange. So I'm gonna go through and organize that. Just moving this, I'm not adding or taking away. Funds are here. All right, so I'm gonna organize. There's probably a better way to do this portion, but I like sorting through bills, so just bear with me. 20, 10, 50. 20, 10. And a lot of people like the way bills sound when you're separating them. I happen to be one of them. Okay, 2. We got some 5s. I'm gonna sit there. 5s are in front of me. 10, 5, 20. 5, 2. All of those are 2s. 20, 10. I'm just gonna have to go there. 25, 10, 5. All right, so now we got our 100s, got our 50s, 20s, 10, 5s, $2 bills, and $1 bills. So let's see what we exchanged. But of course, you know, my 1,000 was exchanged for a 1K placeholder. But what we managed to do today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to be 1,000. Let's see. Yep. Then we have 100. That's going to throw me off. So that's 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 7, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 99, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000. Let me double check that because that was a little bit funky. Let me double check that one more time. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. All right, so that's another 1,000. So now I'm going to go ahead and do this. 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. Put that crossways, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So $90. So that'll be 2,200. So $2,290 is what we exchanged or took out of our envelopes on today. And so yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. That's pretty much it. All of these unnecessary, just sitting in there taking up space. But yep, that's pretty much it. That was my bill exchange for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.